Any trade ideas
I'm
for the
always
week?
looking at NVIDIA.
Looking at them to do what? Be more Pacific.
Pacific. All right. Be more Pacific. That's funny because my dad would always say he wanted to visit the Pacific Ocean.
Yes.
He's from the South. No offense to Southern people, but they. So my response was, well, specifically, which Pacific Ocean do you want to visit?
Specifically, which Pacific Ocean?
Um, so Nvidia right now looks good for a call credit spread. Actually, iron conduit technically.
Okay.
Um, but depending on what it's going to do today, it looks like it is in a buyer zone and may or may not be heading up, but it's definitely looking like it's basing. So I'm keeping my eye on that because it has been in the same general area for 2 weeks, a little over 2
More
weeks.
than that. I mean, it's been
Yeah,
here in this same zone since March the 17th, which is a month ago,
yeah. So,
and right in this area right here.
yep.
hmm
So that's I will be looking at a credit spread.
Okay, so if you were looking at a put credit spread, did you have a date in mind?
No, not yet, because I'm kind
Okay.
of waiting to see what it's going to do today.
Okay.
But so a date in mind would be I always do at least 2 weeks out.
Okay.
Um, that's usually
So
mine.
the 5th of May.
Yeah, I'll be looking at the fifth. Yeah, the fifth or whatever the next one
And
is.
what I see is the support area is 259, between 259 and 256.
Yeah,
Did you have a strike you were liking?
I usually go for 255 or 250.
255. Okay, so let's look at that. 255 vertical put credit spread 255. Actually, there's a NVIDIA is a 2.5 spread.
Oh,
So,
nice.
yep. So you could do 255 here, and of course the market is closed, so don't get caught up on this premium number looking. Looks like it's at $57 now with the market closed. That's about a 20% return on your money. Yeah, because if you're gonna leverage 250 and you take in 50 plus, that's 20% there. Oh no, I didn't mean to push no, what are we doing? Not that it's gonna do anything right now, but reject and say the market's closed.
And I
But
will usually put 0.60 in there. I usually go up to
yeah,
the nearest 5 or 0 over that point.
yeah, for sure, definitely. I'm just looking at what could be the potential there. And then if we go back to the chart, if you were to go up above the highest resistance, I see 280. Now you would
Yeah,
probably want to wait till the price starts going up there before you get that. That way you can get better, a little better premiums.
right.
But if you were looking just right now at the 280,
Yeah, I would be doing like
282.5,
285 probably. Yeah,
that's $90. Well, right now market's closed, but
yeah.
here the 280, and if you went up a little bit, if you went, to this one or either one of these, 285, if you wanted to go even up a little higher, said you would probably go there. 285, it was going to provide $57 again. So you could, get like a 40% return on your investment to do the iron condor on that, leveraging just the 250 minus $120, because if you take in $60 on each side, you got 250, right? You're leveraging 250. You're collecting $60 on two sides. This is minus 60 more means you're really only leveraging $130. Okay, so your max loss is $130 because you took in $120. That's a good 50-50 kind of setup. All right, 2 weeks shorter. That's a good period of time to give it to do what it's going to do. NVIDIA is not having earnings in the next 2 weeks, is it?
Not that I could tell.
Okay, because you want to kind of keep that part in mind, just so you don't get yourself into a trade that earnings pops it or something like that. Let's go to the
No,
chart.
I
And
stay
see.
away from earnings.
No, earnings is 524. So you've got time between now and its earnings.
Yeah.
So if you close out between now and May the 5th, you're definitely, like that could be a good trade. That could be a good trade. Anybody else got thoughts? Something that they're
The boy
looking at?
trying to get paid out here, fam. You understand?
Hey, that's what we're trying to do, baby. Believe that. Believe that. Um, yeah.